Hi again, everybody. It's time to move on to our third job in our reading lesson, and that is our auditory drill. So what this means is you listen to me say a sound, and then you can air write or table trace the letter that makes the sound I say, just like we did before. Let's do some for practice. First, listen to the sound. Next, echo the sound. And then we'll air write or table trace. You get to choose which one to do. Here we go. Listen first. The first sound is ah. Say it with me. Ah. Awesome. I'm choosing to air write. If you'd like to table trace, get your fingers ready. We're going to air write or trace the letter that makes the sound ah. A, ah. Nice job. Woohoo, we did it! Let's try the next one. Listen for the sound. The sound is zzz. Echo that with me. Say zzz. Good. I'm picturing two letters that make that sound. The first letter I'm picturing is Z, saying zzz, and there's one more. The next letter I'm picturing saying zzz is S. S can make the sound zzz, like when we hear it in the word bugs at the end. Nice job. Here's your next sound. Listen first. An. Say it with me. Say an. Good. Ooh, I'm picturing a glued sound that says an. The letters in my brain I'm picturing are A, N. And those letters make the sound an. Nice job. Listen for your next one. The sound is shh. Echo it with me. Say shh. Good. Let's get ready to trace or air write. Shh. S. H makes the sound shh. Nice job. Here's your last one for our drill today. Listen carefully, this one could trick you. The sound is k. Echo it with me. Say k. Good. I'm picturing 3 different choices that make the sound k. Let's see if we can get them all. The first one I'm picturing is C, making the sound k, like cat. The next letter I'm picturing is K, making the sound k, like kite. And do you know the third one? That's right. It's our digraph C, K, making the sound k. So all 3 of these options are ways that you can make the sound k. Nice job. Readers, we are ready to move on to job number 4, which is reading words. I will see you in a few minutes. Keep up the hard work.